Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts! We have some really big news coming out of Europe, so listen up. It might affect you in one way or the other. Remember our chat about ETIAS, the new travel system? And remember I created a whole video about it last month? Well, hold on to your hats because things just got interesting. We've got updates, timelines, and everything you need to know to navigate these changes like a pro. Get ready to become an ETIAS expert. Remember how ETIAS was supposed to launch soon? Well, it turns out things are taking a little longer than expected. Think of it like waiting for your favorite pastry to bake. Sometimes the best things take time. The official launch date for ETIAS is now linked to another new system called EES, the Entry-Exit System. And guess what? EES is also facing a bit of a delay. So what exactly is EES and why is it making waves in the world of travel and border security? EES stands for Entry-Exit System, a new initiative by the European Union designed to modernize and streamline the process of crossing borders. It's a sophisticated system that leverages the latest in biometric technology to ensure that the process is not only faster but also more secure. The importance of EES for ETIAS, the European Travel Information and Authorization System, cannot be overstated. ETIAS is a visa waiver program that aims to enhance security and facilitate travel within the Schengen area. By integrating EES, ETIAS can more effectively monitor and manage the flow of travelers, ensuring that only those who meet the necessary criteria are allowed entry. Imagine this. You arrive at the airport, ready for your next adventure. The excitement is palpable, but so is the anxiety of navigating through the often chaotic airport environment. Instead of waiting in long lines, feeling the frustration build as the minutes tick by, you find yourself moving swiftly through the process. No more endless queues or the stress of potentially missing your flight. You breeze through automated gates that use fingerprint and facial recognition technology. These gates are designed to quickly and accurately verify your identity, making the entire process seamless and efficient. That's EES in a nutshell. It's a game changer for frequent travelers and occasional tourists alike. By reducing wait times and enhancing security, EES ensures a smoother and more pleasant travel experience. It's designed to make border crossings smoother and more secure for everyone. Whether you're traveling for business, leisure, or visiting family, EES aims to make your journey as hassle-free as possible. But just like setting up a new phone, there can be a learning curve. The system needs to be fine-tuned and adjusted to work perfectly. Sometimes you need a little extra time to get all the settings just right. This is a small price to pay for the long-term benefits of a more secure and efficient border control system. As EES continues to be implemented and refined, travelers can look forward to a future where crossing borders is as simple as a swipe or a scan. The future of travel is here, and it's looking brighter than ever. Here's the thing, ETIAS and EES are like two pieces of a puzzle. They're designed to work together seamlessly. ETIAS pre-screens travelers before they even arrive, while EES takes care of the actual border control process. This tag-team approach is meant to make everything smoother and more efficient. Think of it like ordering your coffee online and picking it up without waiting in line. That's the kind of experience they're aiming for. Let's now talk about the ETIAS experience, which is similar to the COVID-19 Immunity Digital Passport. You can't travel without it. Okay, so how will ETIAS actually work once it's up and running? It's pretty straightforward. The European Travel Information and Authorization System, or ETIAS, is designed to streamline the process of entering Europe for short-term stays. This system is aimed at enhancing security and ensuring a smooth travel experience for everyone. Before you jet off to Europe, you'll simply fill out a quick online application. This application is designed to be user-friendly and can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're at home, at a cafe, or even relaxing on a beach, you can easily access the ETIAS website and start your application process. Think basic information like your name, passport details, and travel plans. The form will ask for your personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, and nationality. You'll also need to provide your passport information, including the passport number and expiration date. Additionally, you'll be asked about your travel plans, such as the countries you plan to visit and the dates of your trip. You'll pay a small fee, around €7, and voila! The payment process is secure and straightforward. You can use a credit or debit card to pay the fee, and once the payment is processed, your application will be reviewed. The fee is quite reasonable, especially considering that it covers you for multiple trips over a 3-year period. You're good to go for 3 whole years. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an email confirmation. This authorization is valid for 3 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. During this period, you can travel to Europe as many times as you like without having to reapply. It's like having a digital passport that makes traveling a breeze. With ETIAS, you can enjoy the convenience of a digital travel authorization that simplifies your journey. No more lengthy visa applications or waiting in long lines at the embassy. Just a quick online form, a small fee, and you're ready to explore Europe with ease. So, get ready to pack your bags and embark on your next adventure with your digital passport in hand. Let's discuss the perks of ETIAS, and soon you will be smooth sailing in Europe. Now you might be thinking, is all this really necessary? Well, here's the upside. ETIAS is designed to enhance security by identifying any potential risks before travelers even arrive. Plus, it's going to make border crossing so much smoother. Imagine saying goodbye to those long immigration lines and hello to more time exploring charming cafes and soaking up the European atmosphere. Let's now go behind the scenes. Why the delay? And why the holdup? This is a question that has been on everyone's mind. When it comes to launching such sophisticated systems, especially on a scale as large as this, there are numerous factors to consider. Well, launching these sophisticated systems across so many countries is a massive undertaking. Imagine the complexity involved in ensuring that every single component works seamlessly with the others. It's not just about the technology. It's about the people, the processes, and the coordination required to bring everything together. It's like coordinating a giant orchestra. You need every instrument to be in tune and playing in harmony. Each section of the orchestra must be perfectly synchronized to create a beautiful symphony. Similarly, every part of this project must align perfectly to achieve the desired outcome. The EU wants to ensure everything runs flawlessly before the curtain goes up. Just like in a theater production, where the audience only sees the final performance, there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes. The backstage crew works tirelessly to make sure that every detail is perfect before the show begins. They're ironing out technical glitches, fine-tuning logistics, and addressing any issues that arise. This involves a lot of testing, troubleshooting, and problem-solving. The goal is to ensure that when the system goes live, it operates smoothly without any hitches and making sure everyone is ready for a smooth transition. This means training employees, preparing teams, and ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page. It's a collaborative effort that requires meticulous planning and execution. The end result is a system that works efficiently and effectively, providing the best possible experience for users. The delay, therefore, is not just a setback but a necessary step to ensure success. It's about taking the time to get things right, rather than rushing and risking failure. The meticulous attention to detail and the commitment to excellence are what will ultimately make this project a success. So, while the wait may be frustrating, it's important to remember that it's all part of the process to deliver a high-quality, reliable system. It will soon be time to gear up for the future of travel, but you have to be armed with the right information. These new systems might feel like a big change, but they're all about making travel more enjoyable and secure in the long run. It's like upgrading to a newer, faster phone. There might be a slight learning curve, but the benefits far outweigh the initial adjustment. So embrace the change, stay informed, and get ready for a new era of European adventures. Stay in the loop because your European adventure awaits. The best way to stay ahead of the game is to keep yourself updated. Subscribe to my channel for the latest travel tips, news, and of course all the latest on ETIAS and EES. And hey, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And hey, why not download my free ebook, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them? You'll get some cool tips that could save your next trip from disaster. And stay tuned because a full 25 travel scenario guide is coming soon. Please take a few minutes to check out the links in the description. Anything you purchase will help to support the channel. Thanks in advance for doing so. And don't forget to visit the YouTube shopping area below the video. I value your support. Please share this video with your friends and family. This is your channel host Cheryl saying until next time, safe travels, and don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more travel updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.